Newton's law of motion are three fundamental dot principles formulated by Sir Isaac Newton that describe how objects move and interact with forces. Newton's first law of motion, law of inertia, stating that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and direction, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Experiment of inertia. Objective Coulomb to demonstrate that an object, the water bottle, tends to stay at rest unless an external force acts on it. Materials Coulomb a water bottle, a paper. When I pull this paper off, because this bottle of water has a very heavy mass, it will resist the motion of me pulling this paper. So therefore this bottle of water stays stationary and not moving. It's the same concept that when you're in the car and suddenly someone jam brakes, you will notice that you actually move forward while the car is stopping. Why? Because of the concept of inertia. Newton's second law of motion, law of acceleration. So, acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. If the same force acts onto objects, the one with less mass will have greater acceleration. Experiment of acceleration. Objective: to show that the mass of an object affects its acceleration when the same force is applied. Materials: 0.1 water bottle with water, 1 water bottle without water, table. When you roll two bottles together, 1 with water and 1 without water. The bottle without water rolls faster than the other bottle. That means the bottle without water empty should actually have greater acceleration, not the one with water. The bottle with water heavier rolls slower, while the empty bottle lighter rolls faster, proving that acceleration is inversely proportional to mass when force is constant. Newton's third law of motion, law of interaction. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Objective Coulomb to demonstrate that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you slap someone, your hand feels pain, and does the cheek of the victim. The pain in the cheek is due to action force, and the pain in the palm is due to reaction force. When you slap someone else's face, your hand exerts a force on their face, and at the same time, their face exerts an equal and opposite force back on your hand. That's why your hand also feel pain